back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, hotel location.
The nearby attractions and landmark also.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which will address many of the basic questions about this hotel.
See on the screen, it's like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel,